Embark on a journey for the era and be created for industry on Wuxi. We based on the industrial conveyor belt manufacturing industry for 21 years. 235 employees, 356 kinds of products. A modern factory building covering an area of 35,000 square meters. Obtain certification of ISO 9001-2000 Quality Management System. Vertically integrated independent wire drawing, weaving, and conveyor belt production. Among them, in the production process, the first part is the fabric production process. It is composed of 4 monofilament extruders, 4 twisting machines, and 45 weaving machines. In the second part, it is composed of 11 production lines, which are made up of 3 production lines with a length of 3.5 meters and 8 production lines with a length of 2 meters. From mixing and defoaming, applying sizing agent, baking and setting in the oven, embossing, cutting, to packaging completion. In the third part, we also produce accessories like PVC PU sidewall, pleat, guide, and so on. Especially focuses on even more strongly on food safety, oil resistance, and other high-level special requests to study and produce. We can customize production according to customer needs. It can reach multiple special requests such as FDA, flame retardant, oil resistance, cold resistance, and anti-static. Meet the production needs of various raw material of light conveyor belts such as PVC, TPU, TPE, and silicone. The number of product patterns are reached 100 kinds. In the future, Xuanshan will continue to provide high-quality products for domestic and foreign customers. Conveyor belt expert, Xuanshan.